As an experienced manufacturer, we design versatile access platforms to better serve our clients, like rental and construction companies. Leguans work well on different sites, both indoors and outdoors. The following solutions make this possible. Leguans can use both wheels and tracks. Tyres with cloth bags can be used indoors without leaving skid marks. The same wheels can be used to tackle terrain and tough conditions outdoors whilst giving a smooth ride. In mud or snow, a Leguan's tracks make it unstoppable. Adding a jockey wheel to the track chassis allows it to traverse even the pristine lawns without a trace. Did I mention tough conditions yet? Forest tracks, inclines and seemingly impossible locations? A Leguan can climb almost anywhere and can be set up on sloped surfaces. Now you can use an access platform in those places where you previously needed a ladder or scaffolding. And the excellent sideways reach of the Leguan allows you to get to places where you cannot park next to. You can take on different work sites with a single access platform. A Leguan will help you succeed in different locations and in all conditions. You save money when you only need one machine, the Leguan.